This is an AQA A-level multiple choice question. This one is on the topic of amount of substance. Going to recommend you pause, try it, and then review. So on this one, you are working out an empirical formula. So there is a set format to that. The format that I tend to use is the table method. So I'm going to draw out my table here where I will always have mass. I've got here molecular mass. It is atomic mass in this case, actually, but AR or MR going into here, then moles, and then ratio. What we can then do is put the elements up at the top. So we've got molybdenum and we have got oxygen. I'm then going to start to gather data from the question. So I know that I have got 4 grams of molybdenum, and you can see that that's highlighted just here. We then need to know the mass of oxygen. Now, if you read the question quickly, you might get mixed up and put that down as 5. But the oxide, molybdenum oxide, has a total mass of 5. So my oxygen, following the law of conservation of mass, I've got 1 gram. Once I've got these, I can go to my periodic table and I can find the MRs. Molybdenum is 96, oxygen is 16. If I have the mass and I have the atomic mass, I can work out the number of moles by dividing mass by atomic mass. 4 over 96 gives me 0.042 and 1 divided by 16 gives me 0.063. In an empirical formula calculation, we need the simplest whole number ratio. The easiest way to get to that is to divide by the smallest. So the smallest of the 2 moles is 0.042. 0.042 over 0.042 is 1, and 0.063 over 0.042 is 1.5. So I have a ratio of 1 to 1.5, but it's not a whole number ratio. Easiest way to get to that, I'm going to double both of them. So I get MO2O3. It's worth pointing out that when this was on the 2019 paper, just over half of students attained this mark.